Hi there. Different devices, different viewing app. PDF is universal. Convert any file to PDF using Foxit PDF Editor. Right-click the file you want to convert. Select Convert to PDF in Foxit PDF Editor. The conversion will take a moment, and the converted file will open in Foxit Editor. Drag and drop the file into the Foxit PDF Editor. The file will automatically be converted to PDF. Go to the Convert tab. Expand from Files and select from File. Browse and open the target file. You can also customize the Convert to PDF settings for a specific file type.